Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how we can convert any PNG image to an editable vector image. So let's get started. I'll take one PNG image from Google and copy this. I'll come back to Illustrator. I'll paste it here. As you can see, this is a PNG image. Now let's convert it. I'll resize this according to the canvas size. Okay, I'll align it. Now in image trace, I'll click 3 colors. Now I'll expand it. Now using magic wand tool, let's remove the unwanted area. I'll deselect this middle telephone icon and click on delete. As you can see, this is editable layer. Let's change color. As you can see, it has been converted into an editable layer. Use this technique and let me know in the comment section.